in the easiest and fastest way possible. So basically, first you want to select your backdrop, and then after that you just go to the blocks immediately. So you want to have this and then go to variables. Here, variables. So already you want to create a new variable for which the timer, so it's in here. Then after that, you want to click on this one, set timer to 0. All right. So after which we need to create buttons. So let's just quickly select buttons right here so that we could start, stop, and reset the clock. Forgive me. All right, 2 and 3. So basically, let's just say this first one is going to be the start. Then this. Okay. So, okay, if this is the start, then we should move this one. All right, this is start. Then this one's going to be the stop. Then lastly, you want to label it correctly, reset. All right, so let me show you how to build all the blocks for that. Okay, let me just rebuild this one right here really fast. Okay, when clicked, then go to variables, set timer to 0. Then this is for the start button. All right, so for the start button, you want to select the start. You want to build this one also. Then go to variables, set timer to 0. And then after which, you want to click this one. You want to have this block for the start. This is for the start button only. Forever, then change. Right? Just give me a moment right here, because we need to change the timer. All right, change timer by 1, and then we need to have wait 1 second for this one. So this is for the start button. So for the stop button, it's going to be a different story. We still need to go back to the basics right here really fast. Timer, and then when sprite, okay, when this sprite is clicked, you wanna loop and then stop. Like this is for the stop button. Then for the reset button, you just simply have to build this one. When this sprite is clicked, and then you wanna go to the variables, set timer to wait, give me a moment. Set the timer to 0, but you need the loop. You always need the loop. So there we go. Okay, if you click this one, the timer goes, then it stops, then resets. That's how easy it is to create a timer in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is your homeboy Josh. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.